Okay, good morning students. Welcome back to online classes again. So totally I explained about rational numbers in the last classes, about the properties, how to represent the numbers on the number line and how to find out different rational numbers in between two given rational numbers. Okay, today I am going to solve the first exercise. Okay, so small problems, just I will explain one by one. Please write down in rough notebook, and afterwards when notebooks will be there for you, you can write it again. Okay na? Don't ask any further questions. Clear? Okay. The first question is using the appropriate properties, find. First question, minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. Very simple. Minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. If you observe this, you see it is one term, this is second term and this is third term. If you observe these three terms, for this second term there is no additional, right? Therefore I will write like this, minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5. This I will take like this, minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. I will write this 5 by 2 like this. Okay na? Because here also 3 by 5 is there, here also 3 by 5 is there. I can take 3 by 5 as common. Okay na? So take minus 3 by 5 common. No problem. So what happens? 3 by 5 gone, only 2 by 3 will be remaining. Here minus gone, therefore it will be plus 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. Okay na? Again, so which property it is? Can anybody tell? Yes, it is nothing but distributive property. Which property? Distributive property. Now again, minus 3 by 5. Now LCM is 6. 3 2's, that is 2 into 6 ones. Therefore 4 plus 1 and plus 5 by 2. Again you take minus 3 by 5 into 4 plus 1 is 5 by 6 plus 5 by 2. 5 cancel, 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. Therefore how much is remaining with us? Yes, minus half plus 5 by 2. Okay, now again 2 is same, 2 is LCM, minus 1 plus 5, 5 minus 1, that is 4 by 2. So therefore what is the answer? 2 is the answer. Okay na? See one more time please. Using appropriate property, please solve. Using appropriate property, please solve. Minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. If you see here, this is one term and the second term and this is the third term. Okay na? Now see, in this and in this I have taken minus 3 by 5 as common. Then what you will get? Please. Here see, 3 by 5 common means what is remaining? 2 by 3. But minus also I have taken. Therefore minus will become plus. Here also minus 3 by 5 I have taken. Therefore plus 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2 as it is. Because why it is? Which property? Distributive property. Very good. Okay na? Now see, minus 3 by 5 I have taken. 4 plus 1 divided by 6 plus 5 by 2. Therefore cancel 5 by 2 minus half only. It will be, therefore minus half plus 5 by 2. Therefore minus 1 plus 5. 5 minus 1 is 4 by 2. Therefore answer is 2. Okay na? Please take it. I will give 1 minute time. Please take it fast. Okay na? Next. Second question. Very very simple. Please see one more time, because in evening you will get video again. Okay? Recorded video will be there. You can see properly. Second problem, very simple. 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2 plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5. See, if only multiplication is there, we can simplify this. There is no problem at all. Okay, na? But if you see here, 2, here 2 is not there, but 2 is there. Okay, na? We can see here 2 ones, 2 sevens. We can simplify. Okay, na? Again here 5 is there here. There is no problem. Okay, so 1 by 2, 3 ones, 3 twos. 1 by 4 also is there. So directly you can take 2 by 5. I will not cancel this. I will be keeping like this only. Now you see, here 2 by 5 is there, here 2 by 5 is there. Therefore, I can write like this. Therefore, second step, 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7. This you write like this, plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5 minus 1 by 4, because 2 2 ja 4. Now you can take 2 by 5 as common, minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14 minus 1 by 4. Now see, again 2 by 5, LCM is, what is the LCM? 14 is the LCM, 7 into 2 times, 14 into 1 time, therefore 6 minus 6 plus 1, okay na? Minus 1 by 4. Now again 2 by 5 multiplied by minus 5 by 14 minus 1 by 4 plus 5 cancel, 2 ones, 2 sevens. Therefore, it can be like this, minus 1 by 7 minus 1 by 4. Again 28 is the LCM, 7 4 times, 4 7 times, minus 4 minus 7. Therefore, answer is what? Minus 11 by 28. This is the answer. Here you can write distributive property. Which property? Distributive property. Very very simple. Very very important. Which property? Distributive property. This is very very important, and this is the answer. Minus 11 by 28. So these are all 2 to 3 marks question only. See, very very simple. One more time, just I will explain. 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2 plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5. Here we should take one number as common. One number means one rational number. Very good. Now 2 by 5 I have taken common, minus 3 by 7 as it is, plus 1 by 14, just I rearrange. Shuffle the number, that much only. That means what? If the number is 5 minus 7 plus 8 is there, you can write it like this: 5 plus 8 minus 7. Okay? Any problem is there for you? Just rearranging. I am not disturbing the problem. Just rearranging them. Okay na? Yeah. Therefore, I have done like this to my convenience. Now see, 2 by 5 I have taken common. In this minus 3 by 7 common. See, 3 by 7 will be remaining. Plus 2 by 5 gone, 1 by 14, 1 by 14 and minus 1 by 4, because here 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, 2 2 ja, 4 like this. Now 14 is the LCM, because 14 is a multiple of 7. Therefore 14 is the LCM. If you do like this, then like this, and lastly answer will be like this. Okay na? I hope you understood this. Right? Okay, good. Only thing is what? We should write the property name. That much only. We should write the property name so that we are applying that property. It is nothing but application of the properties. Okay na? Right. Second main, write the additive inverse. Write the additive inverse. Do you know what is additive inverse? We should write the additive inverse of the first problem. The first problem is 2 by 8. What is the additive inverse of this? Yeah, I told you before additive means we should change the sign. If it is minus, we have to write plus. If it is plus, we have to write minus. That much only. Therefore, additive of this is nothing but minus. What is the answer? Minus 2 by 8. Minus 2 by 8. Second problem. Minus 5 by 9. Minus 5 by 9. Therefore, what is the answer? 5 by 9. Because minus is there, just we have to write a plus. Third one. Minus 6 by minus 5. Very important. See, many students will write here minus is there, therefore 6 by 5 is the additive inverse. Wrong. Because if minus and minus is there, we can cancel minus and minus. What is the question? Only 6 by 5. Therefore, what should be done? Yes, minus 6 by 5 should come. Okay na? Yes. Next, fourth problem. Very simple problem. Just 1 mark or half mark. 2 by minus 9. Here, one thing I want to say very clearly, whether the sign is written down or here, one and the same only. Therefore, minus sign has come. Therefore, what is the opposite sign for this? Only 2 by 9. Right? Next problem. Fifth problem. 19 by minus 6. Which implies 19 by minus 6. Therefore, what is the answer? Just 19 by 6. Because here minus is there. Therefore, we have to write a plus. Okay? Like this. Very important. Write the additive inverse. I told you additive inverse means we should change the sign. If it is plus is there, we should write it minus. If it minus is there, we have to write it plus. So 2 by 8 minus 2 by 8 minus 5 by 9, which implies 5 by 9. Okay? 6 by 9, 6 by 5. Here minus is there, here minus is there. Therefore, cancel both minus. So what is the answer? Minus 6 by 5. Okay? I am writing only answer. 2 by minus 9. I told you minus, if you write here also same. If you write in the middle also same. If you write for 2 also same. Therefore, totally it is minus sign. Therefore, it will be plus. Additive inverse means 2 by 9. Now 19 by minus 6, that is 19 by 6. Question should arise. Sir, why we should take opposite sign? We have seen that identity element under addition is 0. What is this element? Identity element. Which element? Identity element. What is this property is? Write something plus of dash must be equal to 0. That much only. Therefore, this is nothing but these two are inverse to each other. Okay? So, plus 5 means 100% it will be minus 5 only. Because plus 5 minus 5 cancel. What is the answer? 0. This is the property of the identity element. Okay na? Right. I hope you understood this. Okay? Yeah. Next one. Next question. We will move to next question. Very simple questions will be asking. Okay? Right. Any doubts you have, you can ask me after the class. You can give the message. no problem at all. Third problem, verify, very simple, verify minus of minus x equal to x. Okay, the first problem is very simple. The first problem, we have x equal to 11 by 5. X equal to 11 by 5. There is no problem. See how to do this. 11 by 5 means, first you see, here I will take minus sign. In the bracket again minus is there. X is there. What is x equal to? 11 by 5. That's all. Again, I told you before only, a number should have only one sign, not two signs or three signs. Here if you see, 11 by 5 means here minus is also is there, minus is also there. So one number should have only one sign, should not be more than one. Therefore, it is bracket means multiplication. Therefore, minus into minus what? Plus 11 by 5. 11 by 5 means what is their answer? X. Therefore, this can be written as x. Okay na? Therefore, what you put? Minus of minus x equal to plus x. Clear? Second question. If x equal to minus 13 by 7 or 13 by 17. Very simple. Now take minus of minus x. See now, minus, again minus. What is x here? Yes, minus 13 by 17. Very important. Again, now I told you a number should have only one sign. Therefore, minus into minus plus 13 by 17. Now again bracket is there. Minus into plus minus 13 by 7. 13 by 7 means what? Minus 13 by 7 means what? It is x. That's all. Therefore, so we have to verify. We have verified like this. Okay na? X equal to minus 13 by 17. Minus into minus of x is nothing but like this. So here. Okay na? So verification will be like this. Okay? Next question. I hope you are understanding everything. Clear? Right. Very simple questions. Only thing is we are using the properties. If you don't know the properties, then it is a problem. You will face the problem. Now find the multiplicative inverse. Very simple. Find the multiplicative inverse. Okay? Find the multiplicative inverse. The first problem. What is the first problem? Minus 13. Do you know multiplicative inverse means? It is nothing but in additive we changed only the sign. But here we are not supposed to change the sign. We should change the number. Change the number means reciprocal. Reciprocal means what? Reverse. If minus 13 is there, its answer is what? Minus 1 by 13. That's all. Okay na? Reciprocal. Only reciprocal. Again, second question. Minus 13 by 19. What I told? Just change numerator to denominator, denominator to numerator. And we are not at all changing the sign. Therefore, minus 19 by 13. 13 by 19 means just reverse. Okay na? Third question. 1 by 5. Who will tell 1 by 5? Yes? Anybody? 1 by 5. Very good. What is the answer? 5. Very simple. Good. Very good. One more question. Minus 5 by 8. Or I will write like this. Minus 5 by 8 into minus 3 by 7. Sir, how to write two numbers are there? Very, very simple. Multiplication means what? We have to multiply. What will be the question? Now you see, minus into minus plus 5 3 ja? Yes, 15. By 8 7 ja? 56. Now write its multiplicative inverse. Very, very simple. Just 56 divided by 15. That much only. Okay na? Yes. Fifth question. Minus 1 into minus 2 by 5. When minus comes, please keep bracket so that you will understand very well. Okay na? Now see, very, very simple. Minus into minus plus, it is 2 by 5. Therefore, what is its multiplicative inverse? 5 by 2. Next question. Minus 1. Yeah, very difficult problem it is. Minus 1. Difficult, no difficult. Minus 1 by minus 1 by minus 1. It is also equal to minus 1 only. Okay na? So these are the answers. Okay. So because that's what only I told you. Reciprocal of 1 is also 1 only. Reciprocal of minus 1 is also minus 1 only. Okay na? Just see, find the multiplicative inverse. What I told, multiplicative inverse means just we have to change the numbers. That is numerator to denominator, denominator to numerator. Here only numerator was there, denominator was not there. Therefore, yes, like this. Okay na? Minus 13 by 19 means minus 19 by 13. 1 by 5, 5. Here only one number, but we have to simplify. We got 15 by 56. Therefore, reverse is 56 by 15. Here minus 1 into minus 2 by 5. It is equal to minus into minus is plus. 1 into 2 is 2 by 5. Okay na? Therefore, what is the answer? 2 by 5 means multiplicative inverse is 5 by 2. Here minus 1. 1 by minus 1 is nothing but minus 1 only. Okay na? Very simple. Yes, next question please. So please see or remember the properties, then only you can understand. Okay, if you don't know properties, then it is a problem. Name the property under multiplication used in the each of the following. So what we have to do? Name the property. Very, very simple. Name the property. Name the property. By seeing the problem, we have to name the property. That much only. Okay na? See, for example, minus 4 by 5 into 1 equal to 1 into minus 4 by 5. Okay na? Is equals to minus 4 by 5. Is equals to minus 4 by 5. Yes. If you see, what you will understand, you can see here. Here what is there? 1 is there. Here what is there? 1 is there. What is that 1? Yes, identity element. Therefore, this is which property? Multiplicative identity. Okay na? Identity under multiplication. Identity under multiplication. Very, very important. Okay na? Second question. Minus 13 by, first question this is. Second question, minus 13 by 17 into minus 2 by 7 equal to minus 2 by 7 into minus 13 by 7. If you see very clearly, see here. For example, if I take this as A and this as B, A into B equal to B into A. Which property? Yes, anyone? Yes? Yes, very good. It is commutative property. Which property? Commutative. Commutative under multiplication. Commutative under multiplication. Okay, na? Yes. Very, very important. A into B equal to B into A. That is nothing but commutative property under multiplication. Clear? Yes. Very good. Next, third. Third one. Minus 19 by 29 into 29 by minus 19 equal to 1. Okay. Anybody please? Which property it is? Yes? Anyone? Very good. Here 1 is there. 1 shows. So how do 1 shows? A into dash equal to 1. It is nothing but 1 by A. So here it is nothing but what? Reciprocal. Reciprocal means which property? Very good. Inverse property. Which property? Inverse. Which property? Inverse property. Which inverse property? Multiplicative inverse. Which inverse? Multiplicative inverse. Clear? Yes. Multiplicative inverse property. See, very simple examples, right? I hope you are understanding very well. Huh? Good, good. Please remember the properties. If you remember the properties, then it is very easy to understand the problem. So, how to tackle the problem? If you know the properties, then you can tackle the problem very easily. Clear? Yes, next one. Sixth question, multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 by 6. So very simple. So very simple. You see now, multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 by 6. Multiply. What multiply? 6 by 13. Reciprocal of this. Reciprocal means what I told. Yes, numerator will change to denominator and denominator will change to numerator. Very good. 6 by minus 7. That much only. Therefore, what you will get? Yes, reciprocal of this 6 by minus 7. Therefore, 6 into 6 is 36 divided by 91. Okay, na? Answer is what? Yes, minus sign. Minus 6 into 6 is 36 and 13 7 is 91. So minus 36 by 91 is the answer. Okay, na? Very simple. See the question this much, but answer is only this much only. Clear? This is the answer. Minus 36 by, yes. Next one, very simple question. Tell what property allows you to compute. Name the property. You should write the property name. The question is 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3 as 1 by 3 into 6 into 4 by 3. Yes. Anyone? Here how many are there numbers? first number, second number, third number. Here also first number, second number, third number. If you see this and this, what is the difference? Only difference is what? Bracket. We are shifting the bracket. Where you used in which property we use this bracket? Very good. It is nothing but which property? Associative. Associative property. Under yes, which multiplication. Okay na? Associative property under multiplication. Clear? Very very simple. You should write the name. That's all. Which property we can solve this? So which property we can solve? Only yes, associative property under multiplication. Because here we have shifted only bracket. If you remember, you can remember like this: A into B into C is equals to A into B into C. See here? A like this into B into C in bracket, B into C in bracket as A into B, that is A into B into C. So it is nothing but which property? Associative property under multiplication. Okay na? Very simple. Yes? Good. Next question. See, whole exercise is depends upon the properties of the rational numbers only. Okay. So you should, I told you when I was teaching properties, they are very very important. You should remember all the properties. Okay. If you use one or two times, automatically you will remember them. Next, is 8 by 9? Question number, it is 8. Is 8 by 9 the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 whole 1 by 8. Is 8 by 9 the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 by 8? So first we should convert them. This is a mixed fraction, we will convert to improper fraction. Minus 1 by 8. 8 into 1 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. So what is the question? Minus 9 by 8 is the question. What is its multiplicative inverse? Yes, minus 8 by 9. But here what is there? Only 8 by 9 is there. Therefore, what we have tried?